Can you be awarded disability benefits for depression or bipolar disorder? Hello, I'm Mark Whitehead, a board-certified disability attorney and author of the disability help books, The Social Security Disability Puzzle, Disability Insurance Policies, How to Unravel the Mystery, and Veterans Disability Claims, Strategies for a Winning Campaign. As with physical injuries, not everyone with depression qualifies for disability benefits. Yet severe depression can significantly interfere with a person's daily activities and the ability to work. In fact, depression is among the leading causes of disability worldwide. Disability claims based on depression or bipolar disorder are routinely challenged by insurance companies, the Social Security Administration, and the Department of Veterans Affairs. If this has been your experience, it may be time to seek legal help in order to prove you are indeed disabled. Depression is not a sign of personal weakness. It's a real mental illness with real causes. The cause may be due to chemistry, biology, or life experiences, disorders of the brain caused by chemical imbalance, genetics, or emotional or physical trauma. It can also be caused by hormone imbalance. Depression can also coexist with a serious or painful medical condition, or as a reaction to the condition. In fact, depression is one of the most common secondary conditions associated with severe injury or illness. There are different forms of depressive disorders, including major depression, dysemic disorder, minor depression, and bipolar disorder. The symptoms of depression and severity of these symptoms will also vary among individuals. Depression is an illness that affects the whole person, leading to feelings of hopelessness and despair. People who suffer from depression have trouble concentrating, sleeping, or eating, and have lost interest in taking care of their daily activities. They may exhibit avoidance of people, profound grief, and a lack of energy. Depression carries a high risk of suicide. To win Social Security disability for depression, you need to prove one thing, that your depression is severe enough to stop you from working. To determine a person's eligibility for benefits, the Social Security Administration adheres to their listing of impairments. The listing for depression disability is found under mental disorders, listing 12.04, affective disorders. If your condition is severe enough to satisfy these requirements, you'll be considered disabled by the Social Security Administration. The SSA will need medical evidence to support your exact limitations. This means that they'll want to see medical records and psychiatric records from doctors, psychiatrists, or psychologists, mental health clinics, and other facilities where you've received treatment. Depressive disorders are often endured by veterans who've lived through the emotional stress of war. Indeed, following the death or injury of comrades, living through unbearable conditions, or struggling with their own physical injuries and disorders. Veterans disability benefits are based on the establishment of a service-connected impairment. A disability rating is assigned based on the severity of the impairment or combination of impairments. To arrive at a rating, the VA relies on the VA schedule for rating disabilities. Depression is listed under mental disorders and further identified as a mood disorder. VA disability payments are then awarded based on this assessment combined with a veteran's ability to work and earn a living. Depressive disorders may begin because of experiences or injuries the veteran had while in service. Traumatic brain injury is frequently responsible for the onset of depression. Depressive illness may be closely related to other service-connected disorders such as post-traumatic stress disorder. You may also be able to claim disability benefits on your long-term disability insurance policy for your depression. Whether you have long-term disability insurance privately or through your employer, it's the insurance carrier who will process your claim. It's become routine practice for many insurance companies to deny legitimate claims for depression or to devalue these claims. Insurance claims for depression disability present their own unique set of challenges. One such challenge from insurers regarding depression disorders is that the condition is not severe enough to qualify for disability. Symptoms of depression are emotional and abstract, and sometimes with highs and lows, and difficult to measure. This opens the door for insurers to claim that you do not meet their definition of disability. You may also suffer from depression as you endure another serious illness or painful condition. Most insurance companies have a clause that lists mental disorders as mental nervous conditions, for which the benefit pay period is limited to only 2 years. In their attempt to reduce payment terms, your insurer may try to award benefits only for depression under the mental nervous condition clause, with no separate recognition of the physical disability. For more information, download one or all of our 3 free ebooks: The Social Security Disability Puzzle, Disability Insurance Policies, How to Unravel the Mystery, or Veterans Disability Claims, Strategies for a Winning Campaign, by visiting www.disabilitydenials.com for a free downloadable copy, or call 1-800-562-9830 to discuss your particular disability issue. I'm Mark Whitehead. Thanks for watching.